Hi guys, UDRC here. Here's a quick size comparison video on the new Jeep Wrangler by Kyosho Moni-z. Then you have the Teamassociated, the Element 24 scale crawler. So these are both 1/24 scales, and then you have 1/28 scales. This is a Moni-z Corvette 1/28, Teamassociated ST28, TR28, and CR28. And just want to show you guys, just the 1/20th and 1/24, like a slight, differences, but definitely a big difference with the Moni-z, the car. I mean, this it's definitely a different size. Again, this is a 1/28 scale, all right, 1/24. Now, looking at these two, the Associated truck is a little bit bigger, not by much. As far as the wheelbase goes, this, it's a slight bit longer than the Teamassociated. The body's a little bit wider. Height, they're pretty close in height. See, the tires are a little bit bigger with the Teamassociated, with the Element 1/24 scale, but they are both 1/24ths. Just want to show you guys just the size. If you do have one of these guys, you kind of have an idea what the Moni-z Jeep Wrangler looks like. If I put this next to the Moni-z 1/28, definitely a big difference. You guys can see the car. Wheelbase, definitely longer with the truck. You can see that. All right, and then you have let's just say, this truck right here. So I line it up. So you can see the Moni-z is a little bit longer, but again, they're not that much size difference as to going to like a 1/14 scale, 1/16 scale. It's a lot bigger, but it is bigger than the 1/28 scale. And it also depends on the layout. This is another 1/28 like that truck, but it's a trucky version, a lot smaller body. You could clearly see the difference in it. All right, then we have the CR SC28, I believe. All right, yeah, just showing you guys just a quick size comparison in the trucks. All right, so again, this is a real quick video just showing you guys the size. So if you do have one of these, you have an idea what the Moni-z crawler looks like. Again, quick little video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.